Okay, I'm inside the vehicle. We're gonna press this for scan. BMW, I hate this sound. I do gotta stand here. USA. This is a 2009, I believe. Yep, 2009. Should automatically do it. Let's press automatic. So, reason why we want to reset this is because it cannot have codes in there, because then it will go into a loop mode. Not a lot of people will tell you that. So we're gonna go to engine. We're gonna press continue. We're gonna look for codes in here. So this is yes and this is no. That's all I'm selecting here. Yes or no, up and down, right and left. So we're gonna wait for the ECU to come on, connect. So codes, again, let's look at the codes. Same codes we had before for the water pump. There you go. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna press clear codes. Complete, continue. Let's go into codes now. There shouldn't be any codes in there. No codes present. Perfect. Focus, there you go. So, job is done with my scan tool here. So now it's time for us to make that water pump come on, okay? Okay, to make the electric water pump come on, what I want to do is, I'm not pressing nothing. I got the key in there. So let's take out the key. I'm going to start fresh. Put the key in. I'm not pressing anything. I'm going to just put the car and accessory. It's going to take about 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes. So what we're going to do is, we're going to put the blower motor on lowest speed. We're going to put temperature on the highest. And then you're going to take your foot, press the gas pedal, and hold it down for 10 seconds. And just wait. I can hear waterfall. So it's going to take a good 10 minutes. So if you got a jump box, connect that. I can hear the pump come on. I thought I heard it. Maybe I'll do it again. I know I heard it. Oh, did I just turn this off? I'm not supposed to turn this off. I think that was my fault. Let's do this. Let's just put this on accessory. And then I'm gonna, so again, we got it on highest, blow motor on the lowest. Let's hold it down for 10 seconds. I can hear the pump come on. Okay, I think we're gonna just leave it alone for 10 minutes. It should cycle through. Yeah, I can hear it. There you go. I'm gonna open this to look at it really quick. I can hear the pump coming. Oh yeah, you see that? The pump is shooting antifreeze. It's gonna go through phases, okay? Air, it's all air in there. So make sure you top it off also. You can't just leave this thing empty either. There you go. See that? Start to shoot. Our pump is working great. Okay, I'm gonna close this cap off. I think I could just leave it open. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it open. Because the threads go, yeah, it probably blocked that valve. Oh yeah, a lot of air. It's gonna do that about 10 minutes, but I don't know about my battery. Anyways, I'll figure that part out later. Once this goes through the process, I will, you could close the cap if you like. After that, I will start the car, let the car run for a good half an hour, check the antifreeze. There you go, it's shooting out all the air. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna let it do its job. You do gotta do that, okay? Thank you for watching so far, and stay tuned for the rest of the parts. So it's really kind of bubbling up, okay? And I can hear it circulating everywhere. I can hear bubbles bubbling, but keep it doing, baby. Keep it doing that. Okay, I'm gonna say this is done. Antifreeze is up to level. I am gonna run this car for good 10-15 minutes, and then I am going to bleed one more time from over here. Once there's pressure, and that's about it. If I see it's shooting nice and good antifreeze, and it's good to go. To turn off the bleeding process, just turn off the key and you're good to go. Anyway, guys, I do have a bleeding, like that kind of bleeding from the valve, which is, okay, the battery kind of died. I knew that was gonna happen. So be aware of that. So now I'm gonna let the car run and we should be good to go. Okay, got the car running. We no longer have the fan screaming. It's just sitting there. And give it some time. I would bleed the valve from right here also. I do got videos on this little guy. Nothing serious, but you should just let some of the air out from right here. Other than that, it's good to go. But right now, I just want to determine that there's no leaks down below. We do got, I don't know what that is right there. I think that was me opening here. Okay, that's it. Other than that, we just let it run and it's good to go. Go for a spin. No longer the fan should scream. Thank you for watching this video, and bye-bye.